Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to connect WhatsApp to Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll need to create a Zapier account. This will allow you to connect Brevo with WhatsApp. Once you're logged in, head over to your Zapier dashboard. You'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature in Zapier can guide you step by step. Next, choose both Brevo and WhatsApp from the list of available apps. Make sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. If your Brevo account isn't already connected to Zapier, you'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. You'll need to enter your API key. To find this key, go to your Brevo account, click on your account name, then navigate to SMTP and API and select API keys. At the top right corner, click Generate a new API key. You can name it anything you like, then click Generate and copy the key. Once you've pasted it into Zapier, click Yes, Connect to Brevo, and you're all set. Now, repeat this process for your WhatsApp connection. Enter your phone number, then click Send PIN. After entering the PIN, click Yes, Continue, and your WhatsApp will be successfully connected. Once both accounts are linked, take a moment to configure your automation settings. When you're satisfied, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it! You're now ready to automate your communication between Brevo and WhatsApp. Thanks for watching!